Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can stop getting emails from Twitter. So, once at the Twitter mobile app or at the web version twitter.com, tap on your profile picture at the top left, then expand the settings and support menu, go for settings and privacy page. In here, scroll it down a little and enter the notifications category. Onwards, go for preferences section, open email notifications, and in here simply turn off the email notifications toggle. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.